traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for Friday, November 9th. And today the markets opened up and kind of chopped around a little bit. We got long down here and we rode that up a little bit, took some profits right before the 10 o'clock time frame. And 10 o'clock happened and then the markets just, shot up from there. And we watched it come up and chop around a little bit. We got long over here, and we were able to take profits into this move up this way. And then it did come back down, and then it just continued to chop around, and then it finally took off at 11:55. The room closes at 12, so there's really not much we can do afterwards. But not too bad. All in all, we had two trades. We were working inside of a maximum profit potential of 9.25 points or 37 ticks. Actual entries and exits, we took 3.25 points or 13 ticks out of the market, which is not too bad. You're looking at a little over $150 for 2.5 hours worth of screen time. So, not too bad all in all. And, the best thing is, we made a little money. We can come back the next day, try to make a little more money. And, of course, the goal at the end of the week, the month, the year is to be positive. And so far, we've been able to achieve that goal inside of the room. As far as myself, everybody knows, or at least I think if you've never heard of me before, I've been trading for many, many years. Learned how to trade in the late 90s. My uncle introduced me to the market. And he was a fundamental analyst, so he used a little bit of technicals, but mostly he was a fundamental analyst. So that's how I learned the market, and it was, really wasn't able to make a trade until early 2000s, like probably '02 was probably my first buy, something like that. And then I really started to explore the technical side and trading and just fell in love with the futures market, especially the ES, and here I am. So, if you wanted to know anything about that, that's the short synopsis. But anyway, taking a little bit of money out, we live to fight another day. We don't try to take all of this chop here, short here, long, short, long, short, long. I've seen some people who do that, and it's really conducive to getting chopped up. And that's one of the reasons why I try to avoid stuff like that. I don't take a lot of trades per day. I usually take a couple. Sometimes I don't even take a trade. But most of the time I'll take 2 to 3 trades per day. Every now and then there'll only be a one trade on a given day. But for the most part, 2 to 3 trades per day. And, if you look at the results, I do okay. So, anyway, hope you got something out of this video. If you did, awesome. If not, email me. Tell me what you didn't like about it, and I can improve them. So, you can only improve through positive criticism through, people who are paying attention. So, and it's the members of the room that really make the room great. And with that, have an awesome day, everyone. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week in the markets. Thank you.